what do we know about percentage? Well, percent means per 100 or out of 100. So 47% would mean 47 out of 100. Similarly, 38% means 38 out of 100. So we can say that percent stands for 1/100th, that is 1 by 100, isn't it? Now, in the case of fraction 83 by 100, we know that the percentage is 83. Why do I say so? Because percentage is the numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. So here denominator is 100, so percentage is 83%. So if we have 9 by 20, if we have such a fraction, can we convert it into percentage? Well, we can. So what will be the approach? We know that for percentage, we need the denominator to be 100. And then the value which we get as the numerator is the percentage which we want to calculate. So in case of 9 by 20, how do we get the denominator as 100? Well, it's very simple. We'll have to find the number with which if we multiply, the answer is 100. So here denominator is 20, right? So what do we need to multiply to 20 so that we get 100? It will be 5, right? So what we need to do is we need to convert the fraction into an equivalent fraction with denominator 100. So in this case, we multiply 5 to both numerator and denominator. And when we do that, what do we get? Well, 9 into 5 is 45 and 20 into 5 is 100. So we have this fraction where the denominator is 100 now. So percentage is 45, which is the numerator in this case. So whenever we have such a fraction, we'll have to first of all find a number which can be multiplied to both numerator and denominator such that the denominator is 100 or the denominator converts to 100. So in this case, we multiplied 9 by 5 and 20 by 5 and we got 45 by 100, where 100 is the denominator and 45 is the percentage we are looking for. So now can you calculate the percentage value when we have this fraction 11 by 40? Can we convert this fraction into percentage? What will we do? So we'll have to find a number which when multiplied by 40 gives us 100. Well, it won't be as simple as it was with 20. So 20 into 5 is 100. But in case of 40, it's not a factor of 100. So it will be a decimal value. Well, in this case, we'll have to multiply the numerator and denominator with 2.5. So 40 into 2.5 is 100. That's why what we'll do is we'll multiply both numerator and denominator with 2.5. Once we do that, 11 into 2.5 is 27.5 and 40 into 2.5 is 100. So we have got this fraction where denominator is 100. So our answer is 27.5%. But here we actually faced a problem. That is, we had to actually find a value which when multiplied to this denominator gives us 100. And this won't be easy every time. There might be a number which is not a factor of 100 and then you will have to actually find the exact value which when multiplied to the denominator gives you 100. So there is a simpler method to this. What can we do about it? Well, the same fraction can be solved in a different way. Well, what we need to do is we need to simply multiply this fraction with 100 and we place a percent sign beside it. So what happens in this case? Well, if you solve this expression, then what do you get? We get 55 by 2%. So we solved this value and we got 55 by 2%, which is nothing but 27.5%, which is same as this one, right? So this is also a method to get the same answer. That is, to convert a fraction to percentage, you can simply multiply the fraction with 100 and place a percent sign beside it, as you can see, and we got this answer. So now let's solve another problem. So we have 7 by 18. So what do we need to multiply with 7 by 18 so that we can convert it into percentage? What do you think will be the right answer? Well, the right answer is 100. So what we do is we multiply 7 by 18 with 100 and we place a percent sign beside it. Now when we solve this, what do we get? We get 350 by 9%. Now if we simplify it further, we get 38 8 by 9%. Now this is our answer, and we could solve it because we multiplied the fraction with 100 and then placed a percent sign beside it, and then we simply calculated the value of the fraction, and this is what we got. So what is percentage? Percentage is the numerator of a fraction with denominator 100, and we just now saw how to convert fraction to percentage. But what if you have a percentage value and you want to convert that value to fraction? Then what do we do? Well, the same principle will be applied. So when we say 82%, so it is nothing but it is the numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. So we can write 82% as 82 by 100, and then if we solve these value, what do we get? 41 by 50. So 82% when converted to fraction will give us 41 by 50. So we have 7 1 by 7%. Now first of all, we'll have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 7 into 7 will be 49, and 49 plus 1 is 50. So we can write this as 50 by 7%. Now what do we know about percentage? Well, percentage is nothing but a fraction with denominator 100. So if you want to convert this value into a fraction, we'll have to remove this percentage symbol, and for that we'll have to multiply this value with 1 by 100, right? So we have 50 by 7% and we multiply this with 1 by 100. So this percentage symbol goes away. So we have 50 by 7 into 1 by 100, which is nothing but 1 by 14. So we converted this value, that is the percentage value, into a fraction. And what we did is we multiplied this fraction with 1 by 100. So whenever you have a percentage symbol, that is whenever you have a percentage and you want to convert it into a fraction, you will have to multiply it by 1 by 100. So that's how we get the fraction. So we have 2.25%. So how do we calculate the fraction value of this? Well, as we followed earlier, we'll have to multiply this with 1 by 100. So 2.25 into 1 by 100. So we can write 2.25 as 225 by 100. So we remove the decimal here. We had 2 digits after the decimal. So we divided by 100, which has 2 zeros. So 225 by 100 into 1 by 100. Now when we calculate this, we get 9 by 400. So 2.25% when expressed as a fraction will be 9 by 400. And what did we do? We multiplied this value with 1 by 100. So when you are converting from fraction to percentage, you multiply by 100, right? And when you are converting from percentage to fraction, you multiply by 1 by 100. So if we have a fraction x by y and you want to convert it to percentage z%, then what do? We multiply fraction by 100 and place a percent sign. And if we want to convert percentage to fraction, that is in x by y form, then we'll have to replace percent with 1 by 100 and simplify. And this is how you can convert fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.